Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to change text on your Lovable website, whether it's headings, paragraphs, buttons, or page sections, you are in the right place. In Lovable Website Editor 2026, text editing is designed to be fast, visual, and beginner friendly, but many users still get confused about where and how to edit content correctly. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to edit text on your Lovable website in 2026 like a pro. So common text editing issues users face, like they can click the text edits don't save, changes not visible on live sites, wrong page being edited, mobile text looks different, button text won't change. Okay, so first thing first, go to the Lovable website editor and log into your account. Once inside, select the website you want to edit. So for example, let's see this one. Click edit website or open the editor. So this opens the visual page builder. Okay, so many edits fail simply because users edit the wrong page. So open the pages navigation panel, click the page where the text appears: home, about, services, etc. Always confirm you are on the correct page before editing. Okay, so Lovable uses inline editing. So click once on the text, heading, paragraph, button. Okay, and the text becomes editable. Start typing your new content. No separate edit mode needed, just click and type. Okay, so when text is selected, a toolbar appears. You can change from font size, make text bold, italic, underlined, adjust alignments, change text color. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.